Sarrah, Jing, Mashar, loves, Mommy. Ito po yung evolution ng mga pagtawag ko kay Sarrah for the past 25 years of happiness. 25 taon ng pagmamahalan, lumbay, kasiyahan, tampuhan, at evolusyon ng ating tawagan.
I'd be lying if I said that my family was perfect. But the thing is, wala naman talagang perfect na family. Yung mga imperfections, ironically, sila yung nagpapa-perfect sa family. And ganun din yung relationship nila, Mommy. May mga weaknesses din sila, may mga kanya-kanyang strengths. Pero the thing is, yung bond nila, that I could say na perfect talaga. Like yung mga weaknesses ng isa, strengths naman ng isa, so nagkakatulungan sila lahat.
Mami, maraming salamat sa maraming taon na suporta, sa katatagan, pag-unawa, sa inspirasyon, at lalo na sa magabang-agabing ikaw ay nag-antay sa maaga kong pagdating. Maraming salamat hindi lang dahil sa kung ano ang ating narating, at kundi kung ano ang naging tayo. Sa mga pagsubok at unos na dumating sa atin, nasabay nating hinarap, hawak kamay, at walang iwanan.
Sarrah, do you take Roxanne, here present, to be your lawful husband, according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do, Father.
Do you continue to give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do, Father. 2 dekada at kalahati ng pagmamahalan, lumbay, kasiyahan at pagkakaibigan. Our love remains timeless. Walang iwanan. Mula noon, ngayon at hanggang bukas, na tayong dalawa ay iisa. Love.
I always do until my heart is black and blue. I will stay with you. We'll make it to the other side like lovers do. I'll reach my hand.
Rox, from the moment our paths crossed, you've captivated me, challenged me, frustrated me, and improved me.
I'm not giving up, no, not yet. Even when I'm down to my last breath, even when they say there's nothing left, so don't give up on. I'm not giving up, no, not me. Even when nobody else believes, I I will fight for you.
Dearest love, I'm giving you this Batman limited edition watch to know you're one of the luckiest 1,000 worldwide who owns this now. I chose watch aside from your food. It's because I want you to always remember how precious and how much you should treasure the time with me and with the kids. I love you, Dad.
The day it came, I could not believe it was happening to me. You were a love that
Today we celebrate our 25th wedding anniversary. But we don't just celebrate this event, but we mark the fulfillment of my promise to God, to you, to our children, to our friends, at sa tanan ng ato ng mga paryente. At lalong-lalo na kay Papang Tons, Papa Art, at lalong-lalo na si Mamang Nene, and of course, Mamang Linda, na hindi tumigil sa pagmamahal at pagsuporta sa atin. I believe Papang Tons, Papa Art, and Mamang Nene are also here with us.
the night lingers. Your shadow is fading, but the memories they last. You went.
I just want you to be happy today. Make this day wonderful. Just like a normal day. Pero syempre, sobrang bongga dahil dyan yung mga friends mo. Hindi lang naman sila yung friend mo, kundi sila yung mga naging part ng buhay mo at ng love story ni Dad.
25 years is a very long journey sa relasyon. Thank you for inspiring us, for loving us, for taking care of us. And sa 25 years na yun, hindi niyo kami iniwan, magkakapatid. Ako, sila si ate. Thank you very much sa lahat ng sacrifices na binigay sa amin. We love you and let's enjoy this day and the rest of the day na magkakasama tayo. Happy anniversary and we love you.
Sa malamig na panahong dulot ng kalungkutan, palagi kitang yayakapin para maramdaman mo na hindi ka nag-iisa. Sa mga oras na ramdam mo na ikaw ay nalulunod sa agos ng buhay, ito ako laging aagapay sa iyo.
I have fallen in love with you again and again. I promise to be true to you, to support and encourage you, and to challenge you and frustrate you. I truly believe we are good for each other and that we will continue to grow stronger together.
lahat ng oras na walang iwanan, magkasama nating harapin ang bawat unos ng buhay. Ang ating Ama, sa gitna ng ating buhay, mahal na mahal kita. Mula noon, ngayon, hanggang bukas, na tayong dalawa ay iisa.